Dancing has been a popular form of exercise and entertainment for centuries. From ballroom dancing to hip-hop, there are many styles to choose from. Not only is dancing a fun way to spend your time, but it can also help you shed pounds. Here are 4 ways dancing can help you get fit and have fun doing it. Number 1. It's a full-body workout. Have you ever felt like you wanted to work out, but going to the gym just wasn't doing it for you? That's where dancing comes in. Dancing is the ultimate full-body workout that can get your heart racing and your muscles moving. And the best part? You don't even have to feel like you're working out because it's so much fun. When you dance, you engage your entire body, from your head down to your toes. Depending on the type of dance you choose, you may be using your legs to do quick footwork, your arms to do lifts and turns, and your core to keep yourself balanced. And don't forget about your brain. You have to remember the steps and coordinate your movements with the music. All of these actions work together to make dancing a great full-body workout. For example, ballroom dancing requires coordination and balance because you have to move in sync with your partner. This can work your legs, core, and even your arms as you do lifts and spins. On the other hand, hip-hop requires a lot of energy and quick footwork, which can get your heart pumping and your muscles burning. Because dancing involves so many muscle groups, it can burn a lot of calories and help you lose weight. And the best part is that you won't even feel like you're working out because you'll be having so much fun dancing to your favorite songs. So if you're looking for a fun way to get in shape, dancing is definitely worth a try. You can take classes with friends, dance in the comfort of your own home, or even join a dance group. It's a great way to get moving, stay active, and have fun all at the same time. Number 2. It's a low-impact exercise. Dancing is a great way to move your body and have fun at the same time. What's even better is that it's a low-impact exercise. That means you can get your heart rate up and burn calories without putting too much strain on your joints. This is especially important if you're getting older or have any joint problems. With dancing, you can move your body in a way that feels good to you. You don't have to worry about running on a treadmill or doing high-impact exercises that could be painful. Dancing is a much more gentle way to get your body moving. So if you're looking for a fun and low-impact way to get some exercise, give dancing a try. You might be surprised at how much you enjoy it and how good it makes you feel. Plus, you'll be doing something good for your body and your health. So put on your dancing shoes and get moving. Number 3. It's a social activity. But let's be real, working out can be pretty boring and isolating. You're either stuck in a gym with your earbuds, in or alone on a treadmill staring at a wall. Yawn. But with dancing, you can make friends and have a blast while burning calories. It's a great way to spend time with your squad and learn new moves together. Plus, who doesn't want to be part of a dance crew? It's like being part of a secret club with some sweet moves. And don't worry if you don't have a crew yet. Taking a dance class is the perfect opportunity to meet like-minded people who also want to get fit and have fun doing it. And let's not forget about the social support factor. Sometimes when you're trying to lose weight, it can be tough to stay motivated. But when you have friends who are cheering you on, it makes all the difference. Dance classes can be a great way to stay accountable to your goals because you know your crew will be there to keep you in check. It's like having your own personal cheerleading squad, except they're also sweating and dancing right alongside you. So why not give dancing a shot? It's a social activity that will keep you motivated and having fun while you lose weight. And who knows, you might just discover a new passion and a whole new crew of friends in the process. Number 4. It's a stress reliever. Dancing is a total mood booster. When you're grooving to the beat, it's hard to stay bummed out about anything. You need to let loose, move your body, and forget about your problems for a while. And guess what? That's not just in your head, it's science. Dancing releases endorphins, which are those happy hormones that help you feel good. So if you're having a tough day, put on your favorite tunes and dance it out. It's a great way to de-stress and make yourself feel better. When you're feeling good, you're more likely to stick with your exercise routine and make healthy choices. In fact, studies have shown that dancing can be just as effective as other forms of exercise when it comes to reducing stress and anxiety. A 2014 study published in the Journal of Applied Gerontology found that older adults who participated in a dance program reported lower levels of stress and higher levels of overall well-being. Another study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that a dance-based exercise program was effective in reducing anxiety in women with fibromyalgia. The best part about dancing as a stress reliever is that it doesn't feel like exercise. You're having fun and enjoying yourself, and the exercise is just a bonus. This makes it easier to stick with your routine and keep moving, which is essential for maintaining good physical and mental health. So whether you're dealing with work stress, relationship issues, or just feeling a bit overwhelmed, dancing can help you relieve some of that tension and boost your mood. And when you're feeling good, you're more likely to stay motivated and on track with your weight loss goals. Dancing is a nice way to lose weight and have a blast while you're at it. It gives your entire body a good workout. It's not hard on your joints, and it's social. What's not to love? Plus, it's a great way to let go of all that built-up stress. So the next time you're feeling a bit blue, pump up the volume and dance like no one's watching. Your body and mind will be grateful. Number 5. It can be done anywhere. Dancing is one of the most enjoyable and fun ways to get fit and healthy. With its countless health benefits and the ability to be done anywhere, dancing has become a popular choice for fitness enthusiasts and those looking to lose weight. Unlike other forms of exercise, dancing doesn't require any fancy equipment or a gym membership. All you need is a good pair of shoes, some music, and a little bit of space, and you're ready to go. You can dance in the comfort of your own living room, in the park, or even in the office during a break. This makes it a convenient and accessible form of exercise that you can do whenever and wherever you want. Not only is dancing fun, but it's also a full-body workout. It engages your entire body, from your head to your toes. Depending on the style of dance, you can work up a sweat and burn a lot of calories. Ballroom dancing requires coordination and balance, while hip-hop requires fast footwork and a lot of energy. The variety of dance styles means there's something for everyone, no matter what your fitness level or preferences are. Another great thing about dancing is that it's a low-impact exercise, making it perfect for those who are older or have joint problems. You can get moving without causing pain or discomfort. Dancing also provides an opportunity to socialize with others. You can take classes with friends or join a dance group, and this can help keep you motivated to stick with your exercise routine. Dancing can also be an excellent stress reliever. When you're dancing, you're focused on the music and the movements, which can help you forget about your worries for a little while. The endorphins released during dancing can help boost your mood and reduce stress levels. When you're feeling good, you're more likely to stick with your exercise routine and make healthy choices. In conclusion, dancing is an excellent way to stay fit and healthy while having fun. It's convenient, accessible, and a great way to socialize with others. So why not grab some music, put on your dancing shoes, and start dancing your way to a healthier, happier you. So there you have it, folks. Dancing isn't just a fun way to pass the time. It's also a fantastic way to shed pounds, stay healthy, and feel great. With its many health benefits and the ability to be done anywhere, dancing is the perfect activity for anyone looking to get fit and have fun at the same time. So why not give it a try? Whether you're an experienced dancer or a beginner, there's a dance style out there for you. You can take classes or join a dance group and enjoy the social benefits while you work up a sweat. So put on your dancing shoes and get ready to dance your way to a healthier, happier you.